Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have the unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch Series 7. This came out, I believe, a few weeks ago. I finally got my hands on it. We're just going to do a quick unboxing and take a first look at the watch. All right, so here is the box itself. You have your standard white Apple box with watch written on the front, and then you also have some more information on the back. It lets you know which watch this is. This is the Series 7. I got the Midnight aluminum case, and this is the 41mm watch. So to unbox this, we're just going to peel the sides of this box off. It comes off pretty easily, and it's very satisfying to take off. And once we do that, we can just fold open the box. And we're greeted with this really nice design that Apple has given us of the watches, which is, I think it looks pretty cool. So we have two boxes here. One is with the band, and one is the watch itself. Like I said, I got the Midnight aluminum band, which is the only one they had. I think if they had other bands, I probably would have picked a different color and different band style. But hey, what can you do? And let's go ahead and open up the band first. We can just flip open these tabs and we can take out the packaging. We have some paperwork here. I believe this is just your standard Apple paperwork that you get with most Apple products. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And then we also have, I guess, more paperwork. Let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, so this is just gonna be just some information about the watch in case you've never used an Apple Watch. And we open this up and we're greeted with the bands. Now, these actually look pretty nice. I wasn't a fan of this color, and I only got it because this is the only one they had. But in person, I actually like these bands. They look pretty cool. And let's go ahead and take all of these out. Yeah, so we have these. We have two sizes of the band in case you want to wear one that's a little bigger that fits your wrist. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the star of the show, which is the watch itself. Like I said, it comes in two boxes, and in the second box we have the watch. Let's go ahead and unbox this one, which we can do, which is a little tricky. Right here, you have to like get it off. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there we go. So there is the box itself, and we have our Apple Watch, and we have what looks like some more instructions or more information, paperwork, and we probably have the charger in there as well. So yeah, so there is the charger and some paperwork. And yeah, I mean, Apple packaging, they always do a good job with the packaging. I'm always impressed by it. So there is just standard Apple packaging that, again, looks very nice. And here we have the charger. I don't think this comes with a brick. Yeah, it does not. It just comes with the charger that magnetically sticks to the watch. Very nice charger. Feels like premium Apple stuff. So yeah, there is the charger itself. And then here we have the star of the show, the watch. It comes in this really nice sleeve. Now I'm not sure if I'm supposed to break this apart or not, but yeah, let's just rip it apart. I don't think I need the sleeve, even though it feels kind of very nice in the hands. And yeah, there we go. And there is the watch. My first impressions is it feels like a typical Apple Watch. Has some weight on it. It feels very premium. If we want to take on look at the front of the watch, we have that rounded design that's a little bigger than the Series 6. And then there we have the back where we can connect the charger and charge the device. So let's go ahead and move some of this. All right, so I actually forgot to record the audio of me going through and setting this up. But basically, the setup was very simple. I just had to take a picture of the watch itself, and I got it paired up, and I just went through and synced some stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's the setup is very easy. It will connect to your phone and get all the data from your phone so that everything is there on your watch ready to go. I didn't have to connect to anything. I didn't have to, go into the watch and log in or do that kind of stuff. All right, so here is the watch, and if we would just want to take a quick look at some of the main features and functions, I guess. Here is the face that I have set up. You can obviously change the face through the app on your phone. I just have it set up to some activity information as well as the time on the upper right hand side. And we can click to open up all of our apps. We can change this to the list view, but I think I prefer this view much better. It's much easier to navigate to your app, and it just looks much nicer. So yeah, so here are all the apps. I don't want to go through each app, but let's go ahead and just check out something like Maps. You can go and you can look at, you can search for somewhere to go, or you can also click on your home. And I think this actually gives you turn-by-turn, turn-by-turn navigation. If you're walking somewhere, it's very nice. So yeah, that's the Maps. And let's check out something else. And here's the weather app. Very nice. It gives some information about the weather. Nothing crazy. So that's just the just taking a look at a few of the apps. We also have like calendar. If you have any events set, it'll let you know. But yeah, that's just a quick look at the Apple Watch. Oh, and here's the timer. If you want a size comparison, I do have my AirPods. So this is what it looks like next to the AirPods. If you want some kind of size comparison, there we go. And I also have my iPhone 12, and you can see what it looks like right there. So there you go. If you want to see any more videos from me with this watch, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to make something. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.